Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
When it comes to taking a stand and coming out, probably a lot of people might hesitate, but then during the lockdown there have been certain things which you have said, be it about yourself or be it taking a stand for others, maybe bezuban जानवरों के लिए, strays. I love that video which you all made.
Mm,
So I think
yeah,
these are really, really productive stuff going in. I mean, I really appreciate what you are doing. So, tell me about you, because, all these things, it has not been personally easy for you as well, when it comes to dealing with your regular lifestyle and everything. It's very difficult. Lockdown के time पे हर किसी को दिक्कत हुआ. But still you are doing all this to bring a smile on others' faces. I mean, it's really commendable. How have you handled everything?
absolutely, yeah. Because see, I am Kashmiri, you know.
Yeah,
So during militancy, I was very young. I was very small. मैं बहुत छोटा सा बच्चा था यार. So when we,
yeah,
when we had to leave everything and move from our own home,
yeah,
overnight we had to move from there, and we were like riches to rags in overnight.
yeah,
And if people call this lockdown or curfew or being inside houses and being inside their zones and their premises, और इतना वो लोग चिल्ला रहे थे लोग, और इतना ज्यादा डिप्रेस्ड और इतना ज्यादा परेशान हो रहे थे कि ये क्या हो गया अचानक, जब आप किसी से उसकी
yeah,
फ्रीडम छीन लेते हो.
yeah.
So that time I think it is the most important thing is to remain headstrong. It was still
Absolutely.
corona. It was still coronavirus, which you could kill just with the sanitizer and the mask. You are protected. अभी भी लोग, people are going out and doing their everything. They're doing everything, and I must tell you that अभी कोरोना वायरस खत्म नहीं हुआ है.
Nowhere.
Actually, अब हमारे इंडिया में अब पीक आया है. We have like almost 62,000 cases per day. But still,
Absolutely.
people have started moving out and doing their work. Just imagine a kind of a lockdown where there is nothing like you could kill with a sanitizer. There are people, there are terrorists who are there outside with the AK-47, and they can kill you if you go out. That kind of
Absolutely.
scare that I have gone through. So that period of time had really made us very stronger, actually, mind strong,
Yeah.
headstrong, I
Yeah.
would say.
Yeah.
तो वही सारी चीजें थी यार, and I was trying to actually tell people, and I was trying to make people understand that this will pass, and today everybody is stronger. And I wanted to and this is my trait, like you said, that no matter what happens, I will always stand with the genuine thing. I will always stand with the truth. I will always stand for the people, and I will always say whatever is genuine and whatever is true. So
Yeah.
that is what I did, yeah. I just kept myself, and depression is real, you know that.
Absolutely.
आपको भी पता होगा.
Absolutely.
People
Absolutely.
लोग ज्यादातर ज्ञान देते हैं बाकी लोगों को कि ऐसा नहीं नहीं आजकल जितने सारे सुसाइड्स हो रहे हैं, जो भी हो रहा है, it is all about depression, and depression is real. I
Yeah.
think such situations don't need statements like, oh, just keep yourself. Why are you? Why? This is not the solution. No. You can't really understand what a person is going through that time. You are not in that in that place, and you exactly don't know what is going on in your mind. For that
Absolutely.
person, it is a completely difficult and different situation rather than us just thinking about
Yeah.
it. So I was just trying to tell people and
Yeah.
try to be with them. If they
Yeah.
feel like, just connect to us, or
Yeah.
make a short video. I was trying to learn cartoon from. I always wanted to learn,
Yeah.
how to draw cartoons. I tried
Yeah.
to learn it from YouTube. I also had my moments of depression, yeah, but I came out of it just thinking about my own family, just thinking about my own mother. Whenever I'm in depression, whenever I'm in
Yeah.
depression, I think
Yeah.
about my family. I think about
Yeah.
my mother,
Yeah.
especially my mother,
Yeah.
who gave birth to me, yaar, who kept me inside a womb for 9 months.
Absolutely.
And I don't think, even if I don't think about anything else in the world,
Yeah.
कि सब दुनिया तेल लेने जाए यार, मुझे किसी से कोई लेना देने नहीं, I just want to end myself, I would still think about just one person in the entire universe. That is my mother. I will think about.
Absolutely. Why I can relate with you so much, because बहुत पहले I can't really remember किसने, but मुझे किसी ने कहा था जब भी अगर कोई नेगेटिव थॉट दिमाग में आए, because life is about a mixture of both negativity and positivity. So you got to balance it out very well. And when you have those kind of negative thoughts, probably just take out your wallet, keep a picture of your mother or father or somebody very near to
Exactly.
you, and just look at that photo. And dunya ki sari, whatever sadness that is surrounding you, it will just vanish in thin air like no.
Absolutely, I can vouch for it because
Yeah,
not just photograph. I think everybody has a phone these days. Just dial up your
correct,
mom. Just dial your
correct,
mom's number.
correct,
First
correct.
thing, keep it on the speed dial and just speak to her.
Yeah,
Ma, kaisi hai
yeah.
tu yaar? How are you, mom?
How
And
sweet.
everything will vanish from your life.
Yeah,
When you hear your mother's voice,
yeah,
everything will vanish because
yeah,
just imagine it is said that when your mom delivered you, the pain is so excruciating that no pain in the world, in the universe matches that pain. It's said that ऐसा लगता है कि जैसे 206 or 207 bones are together,
yeah, yeah. I've read this.
crushing inside your body. It's that much
I've
of
read this.
pain. So just
I've read.
imagine who took so much of pain giving you
Yeah,
birth has to
yeah,
see your has to see you or has to go through that thing.
yeah,
Doesn't
yeah.
make sense to me. I
Absolutely,
think
Ekdam, I totally agree. And whatever you said, I can really agree. Which is why you can also I'm coming up with my own statements in relation to that. And I really love the fact where you said that depression is for real, and all sorts of gyan come into place. यार मतलब कि
it
अगर
is.
किसी को there's this one line that goes, you'll find it very common. I'm telling you कि अगर किसी को कुछ होता है, probably he's a very happy-go-lucky person, but
हाँ.
suppose he or she is going through a difficult phase. सडनली पीपल टॉक, अरे यार वो आदमी या वो औरत डिप्रेस तो हो ही नहीं सकती या फिर हो ही नहीं सकता. आई फाइंड दिस वेरी स्टूपिड कि
People
ऐसा
are
कहाँ
dumb.
लिखा है कि वाई, कहाँ लिखा है
People
ऐसा.
see people have become so insensitive towards each other. People have become so digital, just like their smartphones. They have become
Absolutely.
over smart. They have become
Yeah.
over smart.
Yeah.
It's not true. If a person is going through a depression, it doesn't mean that he will sit in a corner, play a sad song, there will be no
Exactly.
lights. That is a different phase. But a person who is depressed in the
Here.
mind,
The mind.
he will he will take always extra efforts to party more, to be with people more than often.
Yeah.
ऐसा इंसान जो होता है जो डिप्रेशन से गुजर रहा हो वो ज्यादा कोशिश करता है ज्यादा खुश रहने की डेलिबरेट अटेम्प्ट्स अ
Yeah.
पर्सन मेक्स टू बी हैप्पी टू बी विद पीपल ही विल पार्टी ही विल गो टू प्लेसेस बट डीप इनसाइड ही इज डिप्रेस्ड people have this misconception that अगर किसी को डिप्रेशन है तो वो थोड़ी ना पार्टी करेगा यार he will not party.
Correct.
He will not go out with friends. He will not go to his friend's wedding. वो एक ही महीना तो फ्रेंड की पार्टी में फ्रेंड की वेडिंग में गया था उसको कैसे डिप्रेशन हो सकता है यार this is so insensitive like how do you come up with such conclusions everybody becomes a psychologist and nobody reads anything
अपने आप में ही सब लोग डॉक्टर बन जाते हैं. It's suddenly
exactly
everybody has a doctor's degree, and everybody has their own gyan to give, and
see we
and you
have
don't know that people get confused.
bhai there is awareness on
Yeah.
our fingertips these days. You
Yeah.
can
Yeah.
Google anything, you can do your
Yeah.
research, you can read about
Yeah.
things, read about
Yeah.
depression. It is real.
Yeah.
And the people who are
Yeah.
suffering from it do
Yeah.
not require even the closest friends. When they get into this zone, even the closest friends, they can't make a difference in it. It is the person himself who has to fight it. कोई दूसरा उसको समझ नहीं सकता. You can't touch it. It is that difficult,
Absolutely.
that situation. So it's real,
You
yeah,
know,
and it's happening.
you told me just now that you had your own set of troubles, and you had your own depressed phase, and obviously I'm very happy about that. I don't know आपको बाहर से देख के I can't really judge कि, whether you have entirely kind of kept that behind, or you're still dealing with that or not. But then I would like to hope, and I would like to believe कि आपने उसको पीछे छोड़ के रखा है as a dark past. But I want to know, and I want you, because you're an influencer, there are so many people who look up to you. So अगर आप कुछ बोलोगे तो people will listen. So what would you want to tell people who are probably having a difficult phase, and but are probably struggling to figure out कि उस stage से निकले कैसे? So would you like to share any experience from your own depressed phase, so that what probably helped you to come out of that thing?
I have had my share of very filmy struggle in Mumbai. I
Yeah.
had no one here. I hail from J&K. It is like 2,000 kilometers away from this place. And I completed my education. I came to this place just with a bag. And I had no one here, just except one friend who already had a very small flat here, 6 by 6 ka kamra, and that
Yeah.
I could share. I could ask him if I can share it, and I didn't had much money, and during those days, social media was not that you know
Yeah.
that you could promote yourself and you can showcase yourself. But many times I didn't have money. I all those stories which are uh, everybody goes through. I'm not very special that oh मैंने ऐसा किया. No, everybody goes through a struggling phase in life. But हाँ depression होता है. जब पैसे नहीं होते, when you don't have money, when you don't have work, when things are not going as per what you think or what you plan, so you go into depression. So what worked for me, this thing may not work for other people. I don't want to give this gyan or give this thing that oh this is the solution, that do this thing. What worked for me is I always engaged myself in learning something new. Even if I didn't want to, I wanted to learn about it. I wanted to read about it. I used to do something, or just try to draw something, or just try to engage yourself into something which you have never done before. At
Yeah.
least for some time, it will pull you out of that thing.
Yeah.
And when I could afford, when
Yeah.
I was there was a time when I was really going through a very bad depression in my life. It was a uh, very bad zone I was in. What I did, I enrolled myself in a DJing diploma in DJing,
Oh.
and I learned that course,
Yeah.
and I am the only one who scored, who topped the examination. It was a complete diploma in DJing, where there was
Yeah.
theory, there was exams, there was everything. I topped, and I am still the highest scorer in that academy.
क्या
And
बात,
I
ये
learned
कितने
that
साल पहले की बात है?
I learned it in 2014.
Oh, super.
Yeah.
Just
I
5 to 6 years back.
Yes, I did that course, and it kept me, it kept me going. I bought a small controller DJing console at my place, and I used to
Yeah.
just practice on it. My mind got diverted, and I really got out of that depression that time. If I wouldn't have done that thing, I don't know what I would have done. I don't know if I would have been here. And I used to be continuously in touch with my mother. Whenever a wrong thought, whenever a negative thought used to come in my mind, I used to speak to my mom, or I used to speak to my elder brother. You
Yeah.
speak to your family.
Yeah.
Your family, your mother, nobody can know you more than your mother. Nobody on this
True.
planet. Not even God. Even if you pray, he will not answer you sometimes, but your mom will always answer you.
200%.
And she has all the she knows you from the strand of your hair to the your nail of your toe. She knows you
Absolutely.
exactly. And when you speak to her when you are depressed, you will get a solution. It just you have to seek it. You have to look for it.